Affiliate Marketing Made Simple, a step-by-step guide. For 99% of people, affiliate marketing is how they get started. The idea behind it is that you promote other people's products, often through an affiliate network, earning a commission if people actually end up buying, thanks to your marketing. It's based on revenue sharing. If you have a product and want to sell more, you can offer promoters a financial incentive through an affiliate program. If you have no product and want to make money, then you can promote a product that you feel has value and earn an income from it as an affiliate marketer. I've talked a little about it before, but today I want to dive deeper into what affiliate marketing actually is, what sides there are to it, and how to get started. So, let's dive into my affiliate marketing guide. Ready? Definitions. The best definition of what affiliate marketing is can be found on Google. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's, or companies', products. You find a product you like, promote it to others and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. I will explain all four parties in a second. But, when it comes down to the actual marketing, there are two sides of an affiliate equation, the product creator and seller and the affiliate marketer. Therefore, affiliate marketing can be seen as the process of spreading product creation and product marketing across different parties, where each party receives a share of the revenue according to their contribution. It's not just the promotion or just the product creation that defines who you are as an affiliate marketer. You can be both the creator and the marketer and still profit from the underlying idea of sharing revenue. Now let's look at all of the parts of a successful affiliate marketing system. The merchant, sometimes also known as the creator, the seller, the brand, the retailer, or the vendor. This is the party that creates the product. It can be a big company. Or, it can be a single individual who sells online courses to entrepreneurs. From solo entrepreneurs to startups to massive Fortune 500 companies, anyone could be the merchant behind an affiliate marketing program. They don't even have to be actively involved. They just have to have a product to sell. The affiliate, this party is sometimes also known as the publisher. Affiliates can also range from single individuals to entire companies. An affiliate marketing business can produce a few $100s in commissions each month or tens of millions of dollars. It's where the marketing happens. An affiliate promotes one or multiple affiliate products and tries to attract and convince potential customers of the value of the merchant's product so that they actually end up buying it. This can be achieved by running a review blog of the merchant's products. For example, the customer or consumers makes the affiliate system go round. Without sales, there aren't any commissions to hand out and no revenue to be shared. The affiliate will try to market to the consumer on whatever channel they see fit, whether that's a social network, digital billboards or through a search engine using content marketing on a blog. Whether the consumer knows that they are part of an affiliate marketing system or not is mostly up to the affiliate. Some choose to let their consumers know, and more affiliates tend to be transparent about their marketing being incentivized financially, but others don't. They let the tracking system work in the background, where the customer can follow the purchase process just as usual and the affiliate still ends up being paid a commission. The consumer will not typically pay a higher price to the affiliate marketer, as the cost of the affiliate network is already included in the retail price. The network, only some consider the network part of the affiliate marketing equation. But, I believe that an affiliate marketing guide needs to include networks, because, in many cases, a network works as an intermediary between the affiliate and the merchant. While you could technically promote an online course someone has created and just arrange a direct revenue share with them, letting a network such as ClickBank or Commission Junction handle the payment and product delivery puts a more serious note on your affiliate marketing. Sometimes, affiliates have to go through an affiliate network to even be able to promote the product. For example, this happens if the merchant only manages their affiliate program on that network. The affiliate network then also serves as a database of lots of products, out of which the affiliate marketer can choose which to promote. ClickBank is an example of a network. In the case of promoting consumer products, like tools, books, toys and household items, the biggest affiliate network, by far, is Amazon. Their Amazon Associates affiliate program lets you promote any item that is sold on their platform. Anyone can sign up and then generate a custom affiliate link to Amazon products. If someone purchases through your link, you earn a small commission. With the basic terms clarified, let's get an overview of how you can best get started with building your affiliate marketing business. Overview. As I said, there are basically two sides of the affiliate marketing equation that you can choose from, assuming that you're not going to build an affiliate network such as Commission Junction. You can become a merchant and have others promote your product, in exchange for giving them a commission from the sales that they make. Or, you can become an affiliate marketer for one or several products that you'd like to promote and market those to consumers, in order to make money. While most people start by taking the affiliate route, and it definitely is the easier path to take, building enough traffic to make a meaningful income just from affiliate sales isn't quick or easy. Step 1. Coming up with a product idea. People always say it's hard to come up with an idea. It's not. Ideas are easy. But, if you think that your idea has to be super original and born out of the pure genius of your brain, that's hard. If you want to make money with an affiliate marketing business, you can't be romantically attached to your idea. Instead, just look at what products and services are already out there. Consider how you can improve upon them, by delivering something that solves the problems with those products. You can, of course, always choose a topic that you're interested or involved in. Step 2. Validating your idea. In order to not end up doing a great series of videos that no one wants to buy, you have to first validate your idea. How do you do that? Simple, you ask people to pay you for it. How do you find these people? Easy, on social media. Step 3. Creating the product. There are a ton of steps to follow for creating a product, and this isn't an entrepreneurship guide, but I want to point you to some good starters. I'll only give you resources for starting digital products, because I don't want you to waste precious time and money on creating a physical product on your first try. Online courses, ebooks, podcast, audio. Step 4. Finding affiliate program partners. The tech part is the easy thing here. With tools like Gumroad or Digital Product Delivery, you can easily set up affiliate program partners and allow them to collect commissions. Click the link in the description for free training on the 12-minute system, and subscribe for new videos. Thank you.